Hi, I'm Roselle with Contractors Liability. Glazers, your work is crucial, but so are the risks. From transporting delicate glass to installing it safely, accidents can happen at any step. That's why Glazier's insurance is a must-have. In this video, I will walk you through how this insurance protects your projects, your business, and your peace of mind. So let's get started. Working with glass is inherently risky, and glaziers face unique challenges. Material damage. Glass can break during transportation or installation. Insurance covers replacement costs to keep your projects on schedule. Accidental property damage. Installing glass near existing structures could lead to unintended damage. Workplace injuries. Handling sharp tools and heavy panels increases the risks of accidents on the job. Without the right insurance, these risks could result in financial strains, delays, or even lawsuits. Here are the essential coverage options every glazier should consider. General liability insurance. It covers third-party property damages or injuries caused during installation. Workers' compensation insurance provides medical and wage support if an employee is injured on the job. Commercial auto insurance protects vehicles used for transporting glass and tools. There's also custom policies. They're tailored coverage for industry-specific risks like glass breakage during transit or weather-related delays. These coverages are designed to give you financial security and ensure compliance with clients and projects. So why should you choose Contractors Liability for your Glazier insurance? There are affordable rates. Policies start at just $37 per month for small businesses. Streamlined claims. Quick claims processing helps you get back to work without delays. Flexible payment plans. Choose monthly, quarterly, or annual payments to fit your budget. State-specific compliance. Our experts ensure your coverage meets local requirements. With these benefits, you can protect your business while keeping your finances on track. Glazier insurance isn't just a policy, it's your safety net for every project. Don't leave your business exposed to risks. Visit contractorsliability.com or call us today for a free, non-obligation quote. Let's get you covered and help you focus on what you do best, creating stunning glass installations. Thanks for watching.